Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to activate your STC SIM card using your Iqama directly from your smartphone. No store visit required. Before we begin, make sure you have your new STC SIM card, your valid Iqama, and the Nafath app installed on your phone for identity verification. Start by downloading and opening the mySTC app. Navigate to the Store tab and select Mobile and Internet SIM. Choose the service plan that fits your needs and tap Activate. Next, you will be prompted to scan the barcode on your STC SIM card packaging. If your camera cannot read it, just type the serial number manually. Right after that, enter the PUK2 number. You can find this code printed on the back of your SIM card pack. Now type in your Iqama details to link the SIM card to your identity. The system will send a quick verification code to your device. Enter this code into the app to proceed. The next phase is security authentication. The app will prompt you to open the Nafath portal. Simply log in and approve the request to verify your identity securely. Finally, complete your package payment using your preferred method such as STC Pay, Apple Pay, Mata, or a standard bank card. Once the payment is confirmed, your STC SIM card is fully activated and ready to connect. If this guide saved you time, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.